Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a Power Automate flow that combines Microsoft Word and Excel content together in a single PDF document. We will use the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector to convert both our files to PDF, and we will then merge the result of both those conversions into a single file. We will begin by creating a manually triggered Instant Cloud flow in Power Automate. We will use this option so we can have full control over our data. In the first step of our flow, we will add a new action and search for the scope control. This control will allow us to process documents in parallel and return the result back to our flow at the end. We will now mirror the next few flow actions in a parallel process. To do that, we will first add a single getFileContent action within the scope control and select our first example file. In my case, this will be a Word document. After we select our first file, we will right-click on the plus icon above our initial getFileContent action and select the option to add a parallel branch. In this parallel branch, we will now add our second getFileContent action, and we will select our second document using this action. In my case, this will be an Excel document. In our next step, we will include actions for converting Word and Excel documents to PDF in both branches. We will start on the left-hand side. After adding a new action, we will search for Cloudmersive connectors, and we will locate the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector with the green logo. We will click See More to view the actions list, and from there, we will search for an action titled Convert Word DOCX Document to PDF. After we select this action, we will create our connection with a free Cloudmersive API key. To get one, we will head to the Cloudmersive website and create a free account. These allow up to 800 API calls per month with 0 additional commitments. We will now configure our first PDF conversion action by passing down file bytes from the prior step. We will add a random name into our file name field, as this doesn't actually need to be the file name to work correctly. We will now repeat the same process in our parallel branch. That means navigating back to the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector actions list. Only this time, we will search for an action titled Convert Excel XLSX Spreadsheet to PDF. Since our connection is already saved, we can begin configuring this action right after selecting it. We will handle this process the same way as our parallel process. At this point, our flow has converted 2 separate document types to PDF within our scope control, and it's ready to send that output back to the broader flow diagram. To merge the PDFs we created, we will head to the Document Conversion Connector Actions list one final time. And this time, we will look for an action titled Merge 2 PDF files together. After we select this action, we will find 2 sets of file bytes and file name fields. We will now enter our file bytes and file names according to the order we want content to appear in our resulting PDF document. To wrap up our flow, we will now add a Create File action. We will save our merged PDF file in a folder of our choosing, and we will then give our file a relevant name. To set our file content, we will use Output Content from the PDF Merge action. Once we're satisfied with each step in our flow, we will save our flow and run a quick test. When our flow finishes running, we will find the merged PDF document we created in our SharePoint folder. As we can see, we will have a mix of written content and spreadsheet numbers in our resulting file. This basic flow concept can be used to quickly assemble reports from all kinds of unique documents in our system in one single operation. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about using Cloudmersive connectors in your Power Automate flows, please feel free to contact any member of our team.